Welcome to my channel.
Samsung Galaxy A54 5G with 25W charging support spotted on 3C certification website. Samsung Galaxy A54 5G has allegedly been spotted on China's compulsory certification 3C website. The listing shows the handset with model number SM A5460 and suggests 25W fast charging support. As per the listing, the device is the Galaxy A54 5G, which has been subjected to many leaks and rumors over the past few months, and could launch soon. The Galaxy A54 5G is expected to come with triple rear cameras and a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display. It could be unveiled early next year. The Galaxy A54 5G will be succeeding the Galaxy A53, as per a report by TechGoing. Samsung Galaxy A54 5G with model number SM A5460 has bagged certification from China's 3C website. It also states that the phone will have support for 9.0 VDC 2.77A charging that suggests a maximum charging speed of 25W. It could be sold without a charger. It is listed with 5G connectivity as well, while the 3C certification doesn't reveal anything else about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Earlier leaks have tipped key specifications of the smartphone. The Galaxy A54 could be powered by a mid-range Exynos S5e8535 processor succeeding the Samsung Exynos 1280 SoC, which is present in the Galaxy A53. It is said to come with a triple rear camera setup comprising a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter, and another 5-megapixel camera sensor. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G is tipped to feature a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The display is expected to have a hole punch cut out for the selfie camera as well. Its predecessor, the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, was launched in India in March with a price tag of Rs 34,499 rupees for the 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant. It sports a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity O display with a 120Hz refresh rate and is powered by an octa-core Exynos 1280 SoC, coupled with up to 8GB of RAM. The phone comes with a triple rear camera setup led by a 64-megapixel primary sensor, a 32-megapixel selfie camera sensor, and houses a 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging support.